How to fix Rainbow Six Siege crashing. So the very first thing that you want to do is if you're currently doing any updates directly from Rainbow Six Siege X from Steam, please do make sure that you're not interrupting anything from it. Because once you do, if you pull up the game, it will somehow crash, glitches, or executes and issues while launching the game. Next thing to do is to open up Steam and then just go into your library, pull up your Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege game, right click on that, go into properties and verify the integrity of game files. Once you've done that, restart your PC and try to relaunch the game again. The other thing that you could do, possible reason, is the overlay of the game. Go back to your Steam, open up the properties of Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege again, and then just simply disable overlay. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix Rainbow Six Siege X crashing.